Hi everyone, welcome to this dance tutorial. I'm Marina and today we are learning the chorus and dance break from KATSEYE's Pinky Up. I've divided the choreography into 10 sections to make it easy to follow no matter you are a beginner or more experienced. By the way, this tutorial is mirrored, so my left is your left and my right is your right. So make sure you're comfortable, get some water nearby, and let's get started. Let's look at the first section with counts. You can just watch for now and we'll break it down together step by step in a moment. So the first section goes like 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Alright, now let's learn it step by step. So we start by running our hands down through our hair and then place your left hand on your waist and extend your right pinky and tap your head 3 times like this. So it's on counts 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. On 8, just bring your hands down like this. For our legs position, you just sit into your left hip and our knees are slightly bent. Your right knee is facing out and heel is up like this. And then on 8 count, you just step in place with your right foot and your knees are straight and we are leaning forward with our upper body, with our chest and shoulders, as well as your head is facing down like this and hands are straight. So let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. And let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now let's have a look at the second section with counts. We finished here 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay, let's do it step by step. So from this position, on 1 we go up and bring your right forearm in front of your right shoulder, and then on 2 tilt your head to the right, and then we do and 3 and. So basically you're opening up your hand starting from pinky. On 3 counts you have to open up 5 fingers, so it's quite fast. So it's like 2 and 3 and 4. On 4 you bring sharply your head back to the center, and all these tilts, they are quite sharp. So make sure to stretch and warm up your neck, okay? Then on 5, 6, we slightly tilt our head to the left and we do it slower. So it's like 5, 6, and at the same time you look at your hand or fingers and you can, give some facial expression like smile here. And then we do and 7. So you're closing your hands starting from the thumb one by one really fast, and at the same time you're swinging your left hand in front of the right one, and our pinky is staying extended. And if you're like me, you can't close the ring finger without closing the pinky, I have a life hack for you. So what I do, I just close all my fingers, but this ring finger is staying open here, but from the front you can't really see it, so it's like an illusion that all my fingers are closed, but no. And when you swing with your left hand, you also do the step in place with your right foot, and then we do 8. So you bend your knees and we start closing our fingers from thumb one by one and leave your pinkies open. Also, my shoulders and chest are leaning forward. I look like this from the side. Let's practice slowly with counts starting from here. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. And let's try again. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Let's move on to the third section, and from here it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For our arms it's quite easy. From this position we bring our elbows down, and at the same time we are flipping our hands so that our fingers are facing now our shoulders, okay? So from here down, and then we bring our fists on our head. Pinkies are extended, of course, and then we do movements like this. Pam, 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 pam. So it's like small and sharp upward motions with your pinkies, like you are poking someone. And with counts, it goes like 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8 we do the same thing, just closing our palm, starting with thumb one by one like this, and leave our pinkies open. Then for the legs we're going to twist them left to right. So at first we lean forward, and then on 1 we keep our shoulders back like this. So 8, 1, and then 2. So here we pay attention to the legs. From here we do a little step back with our left foot, and here the right foot is in front. I place my left foot slightly back so the toes are reaching the middle of my right foot, like this. So I'm standing in this position, and then we're going to twist our feet. You're going to keep your right foot on the heel and left foot on the ball of your foot, okay? Let's try. Like this, and then bring back again, and then bring back. So from the front it will look like this, like this. You may practice this move only because here you need to practice to keep balance. Let's try with hands together, starting from here. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 7, we just bring back to the center like this, and then we do 8. So you bring your feet together and then lean forward, bend your knees, and close your fingers. Also, I forgot to mention they are singing pinky up, tun, 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 up. And then on up lyric, you're going to bring your chin up and then down. Tun, tun, pinky up, pam, 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 up, pam, pam. Just like this. Let's practice 2 more times slowly with counts. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you the first section with counts. We finished here. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. So here we are doing the same thing. 8, 1. So bring your shoulders back here, and then we do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's all the same. You're twisting your feet here and also poking the air like this. And then after 6 count, we're going to do and 7 and. So you're just extending your arms here forward and then bend your elbows. And at the same time, we're going to step back with our left leg like this. So we do and 7 and. You're here turning to the back, and then we do 8 and. So you are just stepping back, then turning, and then just to get comfortable with your leg position, you do little steps in place. Now our weight is centered, and by this way we are standing in the comfortable position for the next count. So let's practice slowly with counts. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. And let's try again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Now have a look at the 5th section. 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So we are going to do some circular motions with our hips and with the help of our feet and knees. Just keep in mind that your knees are soft here and bouncy. And we start by doing with our left hip the counterclockwise motion like this, and at the same time you bend your knees and step on your right foot here. Okay, so it's like 1 and then 2. So from here you turn back and your weight is centered, your knees are bent. So again, counterclockwise, center. Then we're going to turn with our right shoulder and we're going to do 3 circles with our hips here clockwise. So let's try 2, 3, 4, 5. And you noticed every time we go down, left foot is helping us to go up. So it's like down, up, down, up, down, up. So again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 6 we are turning back and hips are going like down a little. And on 7 we are going to repeat counterclockwise 1 time here. And then on 8 our feet are together and we are turning forward. Let's practice again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then let's add our hands. So your pinkies are out in front of your face, and then we start with our right pinky going forward like this, and then we're going to switch 1, 2, 3. So it's actually on count 1 and yeah, so it's kind of fast. 8, 1 and then bring your arms down, and then we are going to slap our right hip with our right arm and then go down. And here again, bring your pinkies up. We start with the left pinky, go forward, and then switch, switch, switch 3 times. Then bring your arms down, and again we are going to slap our left hip with our left arm, and then on 8 we are bringing our pinky up with elbow bent. And with counts, the arms will go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let's practice hands and legs together now. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. Let's try again. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now, to make sure you remember everything, we are going to review from the top, starting from here, slowly with counts. Let's go. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Great job, guys, and that's it for the YouTube preview. If you'd like access to the full ad-free tutorial with all 10 sections and full practice to music at different speeds all in one video, check out my website link through the pinned comment or in the video description below. You'll also get a PDF count guide for this lesson with each section of the dance routine out in counts, plus even more tutorials to explore. Also, if you have any questions about learning K-pop dances or filming dance covers, feel free to book a K-pop dance consultation with me through the link in the pinned comment. Thanks for joining me today and see you next time. Bye!